We're going to take a look in this video at some practice problems with adding and subtracting fractions that have a common denominator. So copy these three problems down and then pause the video, work out the answers, and then resume the video and check to see if you were correct. So if you look at the first problem, 3/4 minus 1/4, or 3/4 minus 1/4. We notice that the denominator is common to both, so we can rewrite the denominator of 4 and then perform the operations that are in the numerator. Remember, this is going to be the new numerator of our combined fraction, and we simply rewrite the common denominator. So we have 3 minus 1 over 4, which is 2/4. And again, from the last video, 2/4, because 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4, we see that 2/4 is going to be the same as 1/2. So the answer to the first practice problem here is 2/4, or reduced to 1/2. If we take a look at the second problem, we have 5/16 plus 7/16. And again, we do have a common denominator of 16. So we rewrite our common denominator, and we combine our numerators, 5 plus 7 over 16, or 12 over 16. And it is common when dealing with fractions to fully reduce them. And so you would never say 12/16 of an inch. But you could say, hey, 12 is equal to 4 times 3, and 16 is equal to 4 times 4. And so we can get rid of those common numbers there, and 12/16 is going to reduce to 3/4. You would never say, oh, cut me a piece of wood that measures 12/16 of an inch. You would say 3/4 of an inch. So that's the solution to the second problem. And when we look at the third problem here, we have 7/8 minus 1/8, and again, we do have a common denominator of 8, and now we combine our numerators and we land up with 6/8, and 6/8 can be reduced to 3/4. So there's a quick look at adding and subtracting fractions and a little bit of practice with fractions that have a common denominator.